guys, this is Layla Melgosa doing Mission Activity 9, the moons of Saturn. So I chose Titan. This is a picture of it really close up. This is Titan again from different perspectives. So Titan was discovered on March 25th, 1655. The mass is 1.8 times Earth's moon, and the type of moon is icy moon. So I chose this moon because of its appearance, because it looked turquoise and just stood out to me, and I wanted to get to know more about it. The location, Titan orbits Saturn at a distance of about 759,000 miles, taking 15 days and 22 hours to complete a full orbit. So as you can see, Saturn is right here, and Titan's all the way over here, so it's pretty far. Then from another perspective, Saturn's right there. You can see its big rings, and then Titan's all the way right there. So 3 characteristics of Titan. So in this picture, it shows the rough waters on Titan, which is the most Earth-like spot. The first sighting of waves on this methane lake was captured by Cassini, the spacecraft. So Titan's atmosphere is roughly 90% nitrogen and 10% methane. The composition of Titan's atmosphere is very similar to Earth's, which is also 80% nitrogen. And then the thick atmosphere is orange due to a dense nitrogen haze. Sorry. And then yeah, you can see like the color, how it looks orange. And then Titan's interior is primarily composed of water ice in different phases with mountains of ice exposed at its surface. So you can see that the hydrogen core, and then the liquid water ocean, normal ice, the surface, and then the atmosphere. Then I do believe that we should further explore Titan. I know we as humans can't have potential life out there, but Titan seems to be beautiful and different than most moons. I think if we have the money and we'd have to choose between one of Saturn's moons, we should choose Titan for sure. And this is my reference.